There are only a handful of things my dad likes more than drinking coffee and eating cake. And one of those things is cooking meat on his barbecue. So as a Father's Day gift, I made him some meat skewers. Enjoy. The first step was to forge a point on one end of the steel. The steel I'm using is a piece of 60cm long, 4mm square stock. I then twisted the top 30cm of the steel. After forging a point on the other end of the steel, I scrolled 15cm of the untwisted part of the bar. Then I bent and scrolled the other half of the untwisted section. And now it's just a matter of pushing the scrolls out and closing the two sides together. After a few tweaks and a wire brush, I decided to grind off the edges of the twist and polish them.